Now we just have to take all of this, and put it into that car. Oh, we have a good candidate here. Now, it's going to go in pretty good. The only downside is on this car, the two rear doors and the driver door don't open. So it's going to be kind of hard for me to put this in there, but it's got to go in. It's got to go in. I don't know why the driver door doesn't open. The rear doors don't open because I have them seat belted. But everything should go in pretty easily. I'm going to put how I'm going to do it is I'm going to put this white one with the two posts in first, set it on the floor. And then I'm going to put those two in. And then I'm going to put this one in. And then I'll bolt that one up. And then I'll bolt this one up. And then I'll bolt these up. And then the last one will be the door bars. Because this cage is not for an old body car. These are 92 to 96. That is 92 to 96. There is a big difference between this car and this car, which is 97 to 99. The 97 to 99s are actually wider, and they're actually got a bigger interior space. So to make this cage, which I built for a 97 to 99, to fit into this car, I have to cut out the door jambs with a torch. Just gotta trim right there for them to fit. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that with that driver door not opening. So I do have to get that door open. But let's get this cage put into this car. It's gonna take longer than 30 minutes though. So I've spent some time wiggling and jiggling. I got the door open, so that makes this install a little bit easier. Swept the floors. Everything's looking good. Let's get this cage into here. Can't wait. So the camera died while I was putting the cage in, but I got the cage in. This car here has been pretty much fighting me since day number one. Everything from it coming with no dash bar, and I had to put my own dash bar into it, and then I snapped bolts, and then a Solera dash bar does not fit inside of an old Toyota. Right down to two of the studs snapped, so I had to put new studs in. I just took it for a test drive down the street and realized that my shifter was not going all the way to low, so I had to readjust all that. I tried building doubles for it and popped my only tubes, so now I have two doubles made on rims, just need to get some tubes. Look at those treads, those are road quality tires. And then we put a new strut inside this car, and then we put my old hideous doubles onto this thing. But a lot of work has been getting done. This car here has started from a blue blob that I bought with a good motor with a bad transmission. So what turned out to be a bad motor with a bad transmission. And now she is some mean fighting car. Hopefully everything works out good. We have my buddy's hood on it, which is a new body, so that's why the body lines don't exactly match up. The hinges are bolted up the way they should be, but the body lines don't match. You got the new bumper put on. Took it for a test drive. Like I said, we had a little bit of problems with low, so we have adjusted it. We have low now in the transmission. I did get it stuck, had to pull it out with the W-body Alumina, but this will be one of my first times this year running a back window bar. You know what, I've been allowed to run it all year, I just haven't. So there's the Lumina that came to the rescue and pulled us out. But she rips. I'm having a little bit of a fuel issue. I think the factory fuel pump, the fuel regulator on the rail is starting to get a little bit tired. But you know what, at full RPMs, she's pretty fine. At no RPMs, she wants to die. So something tells me we're just going to be riding that rev limiter tonight. Well, not tonight. Be tomorrow night. But car's ready to go. Just have the GoPros inside the house. We're charging them up. But I'm pretty happy with this. And if you guys want to know, I did come up with a name for this. I just have to get it printed right here. It's going to say Nightmare. I think this thing fits. It's Halloween themed this year. I got the black with the red thrown all over it. I got the running down numbers. Oh, I think this car is going to fit perfectly there this weekend. Hopefully everything goes good. I know that it's going to be a little bit hard for me at Rockton this year. Hopefully I can hold my ground pretty good. We'll see. I'm going to go out there and try the best I can. They don't award Mad Dog, they just award first and second place. So hopefully I can take a trophy home. I've never actually gotten a trophy from Rockton, ever. My entire time of going to Rockton, I've never got a trophy. But you know what? This year here, I've got a trophy from Lindsay, and I've never got a trophy from Lindsay before. So hopefully I can come home with some hardware. I'd really like that. And this car here, as crappy as this thing is, she will be ran again. And where will she be ran? She'll be ran in Erin. So I think I'm just getting a cold, so sorry about I'm sniffling. But this thing here will be ran again in Erin. So it's second place in Grand Valley. Hopefully it's not overshadowed by what happens to it in Erin. I have pretty much don't care about this car. The repairs that I put into it is nothing. I hit the frame with a sledgehammer to try to get it to bend up. And then I put a new strut into it, and that's about it. So I'm not really putting any effort into this one. But hopefully Erin goes good. To be honest, guys, it is getting near the end of Derby season. And if you guys have been watching me all season, I've built a lot of cars. I've tried pretty hard. I've done my best at almost every show I've been to. But it's getting pretty hard on me. And at the end of the year, it's always nice because I feel like the end is near. But I enjoy derbying and I enjoy building the cars. It's just it takes a lot out of us. It takes a lot out of derby drivers. Even the wife knows when derby season comes, nothing else gets done around the house. I haven't cut the lawn since September because all I've been wanting to do is build derby cars. There's light bulbs out in the house that I haven't changed because derby season's here. There's things that I have to do around here before winter come and I can't because it's derby season. So at the end of derby season coming, it's kind of a relief and a letdown at the same time. What do you guys do in your off season? But let me know down in the comments. And thanks everybody for watching. And Nightmare and I will be in Rockton. And never really came up with a name for this one, but we'll be in Erin. So see you guys there. Well, some fine tuning done this morning. New timing belt. She's all set and done. She's loaded, ready to go, ready to get smashed. So, wish me luck, guys. Heading to Rockton. The championships for Thrill Show Point Series. I've never really done that good at Rockton. Hopefully I do a little bit better this year. I have a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of patience really put into this car. So, hopefully I have a good time, guys. Thanks for watching. See you back here tomorrow. And I just want to say thank you for everybody that's bought t-shirts and stickers off me. I've been getting them all out in the mail like crazy. So if you guys want t-shirts or stickers, look up Zacks Workshop on Facebook. Send me a message and I can get a shirt out to you. $15 for a shirt. And I'll get those mailed out as fast as I can for everybody that keeps ordering them. So thanks everybody and take care. I'll see you back here tomorrow.